How to care for Dracaena reflexa. See more 198 species in genus Dracaena at monsteraholic.com. Caring for Dracaena reflexa, commonly known as the Song of India plant, involves the following steps. Light. Place it in bright, indirect light. It can tolerate some shade, but avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Water thoroughly and ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. Reduce watering in winter. Humidity. Dracaena reflexa prefers moderate to high humidity. Mist the leaves occasionally or place a humidity tray nearby. Temperature. Keep it in a warm environment, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from cold drafts. Soil. Use well-draining, rich potting soil. A mix designed for indoor plants works well. Fertilizing. Feed monthly during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter. How to propagate Dracaena reflexa. Dracaena reflexa can be propagated through stem cuttings. Select a cutting. Choose a healthy stem with several leaves. Prepare the cutting. Cut a 4 to 6 inch section just below a leaf node using sterilized scissors or a knife. Rooting hormone. Optionally, dip the cut end in rooting hormone to encourage root development. Planting. Place the cutting in a pot filled with well-draining soil. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Environment. Keep the cutting in a warm, bright location with indirect light. Rooting. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Once rooted, treat it like a mature plant. How to prune Dracaena reflexa. Pruning Dracaena reflexa helps maintain its shape and encourages healthy growth. Timing. Prune in the spring or early summer during the active growing season. Tools. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts. Cutting. Remove any dead, damaged, or yellowing leaves first. Then, trim back overgrown stems to maintain the desired shape. Shaping. You can trim the top growth to encourage branching and bushiness. Care post-pruning. Water the plant after pruning and maintain its regular care routine. Is Dracaena reflexa an indoor plant? Yes, Dracaena reflexa is commonly grown as an indoor plant due to its tolerance for indoor conditions. Are Dracaena reflexa poisonous? Yes, Dracaena reflexa is toxic if ingested. Keep it away from children and pets to avoid any potential health issues. How often do you water Dracaena reflexa? Water Dracaena reflexa when the top inch of soil feels dry. Typically, this means watering once a week, but it can vary based on factors like temperature, humidity, and pot size. Is Dracaena reflexa poisonous to cats? Yes, Dracaena reflexa is toxic to cats if ingested. Keep it out of reach of cats to prevent any potential health problems. What to do with a top-heavy Dracaena reflexa? If your Dracaena reflexa becomes top-heavy, you can stake it for support or repot it into a larger, heavier pot to stabilize it. Additionally, you can prune back some of the top growth to balance the plant's overall appearance. Where to buy Dracaena reflexa? You can buy Dracaena reflexa from local nurseries, garden centers, or online plant retailers. Be sure to choose a reputable seller to ensure you get a healthy plant.